Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll see how to add the subscribe GIF button to your video. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. I already created a video where I have shown how you can create the subscribe button, right? In today's video, you'll learn how to add that button in your YouTube video and then you can export, right? So you can check this video over here in the link to check how you can create this button in Canva for free. Now to add this button to your video, simply go to your editor. I would be taking example of Microsoft Clipchamp, but it can be Canva, it can be CapCut, it can be Adobe, it can be any tool you used for editing your videos. And once you are over there, just simply add your GIF button, import it in the media, and just go to your video and add it. Once you added, so just check if it's appearing the right way. So now this I just drop it, right? You can see my GIF has been added to the video, and you can simply export your video post this. This is the simplest way to do it. The other option is you can go to YouTube Create app on your mobile for shorts and click on tap on stickers and add your GIF directly. So if you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to channel YouTube with Saave.